One content creation powerhouse. Craft high-quality content like blog posts, website copy, social media captions, or even product descriptions. 2. Boost your productivity. Generate email sequences, scripts for explainer videos, or marketing materials. Free yourself from repetitive tasks and focus on higher-level strategies. 3. Freelance writing on steroids. Offer your services as a writer with the efficiency of ChatGPT by your side. This can be especially helpful for tasks like summarizing research papers or creating SEO-optimized content. 4. Education and training, revolution, design online courses, quizzes, or personalized learning materials. ChatGPT can personalize content for different learning styles and generate practice questions to solidify understanding. 5. Unlock data insights. Analyze customer reviews or social media sentiment.